Have you heard of Teff flour? It's an ancient grain from Ethiopia that is revolutionizing baking. Save for later. Here is how to bake with this nutrient-packed superfood. First, baking bread. Teff flour is naturally gluten-free, so you'll need a binding agent like xanthan gum. Mix Teff flour with your favorite gluten-free flour blend. Add yeast, a bit of sugar, salt, and warm water. Knead it until smooth and allow it to rise. Once risen, bake it at 375 for 30-35 minutes. Your Teff flour bread will be soft, slightly nutty, and perfect for sandwiches. Now for cookies. Substitute half of your all-purpose flour with Teff flour. Cream butter, sugar, and eggs together. Add in your dry ingredients, including Teff flour, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. Stir in chocolate chips or nuts. Scoop the dough onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. You'll get cookies that are not only delicious but also rich in iron, calcium, and fiber. With Teff flour, you're not just baking, you're bringing a bit of ancient culinary magic into your kitchen. Follow for more health tips.